Hi everyone, Julia here. Welcome back, and welcome to Cabo Roig. Today we are looking at a contemporary villa located in one of the most prestigious areas on the Costa Blanca. Situated between the beautiful beaches of Playa de la Caleta and Playa de la Glaya. This neighborhood is highly regarded for its quiet, upscale environment and its convenient proximity to the sea. Let's start with the exterior. The villa sits on a well-proportioned plot, fully enclosed for privacy, with some landscaped Mediterranean greenery. We have a paved driveway here with comfortable parking space, leading directly to the main entrance. The beautiful Mediterranean garden of your own private oasis, where a sparkling in-ground pool is perfectly framed by sun-drenched tiled lounging areas. Nearby, a stylish, curved blue glass outdoor shower is ready to cool you off after a swim. Whether you're relaxing on the sun loungers under the shade of an umbrella, unwinding on the plush patio sofas, there's a perfect spot for every moment of the day. Fire up the grill and prep lunch at the built-in outdoor kitchen station. The master bedroom features its own ensuite bathroom, built-in wardrobes, and direct access to a private balcony terrace. The additional bedrooms are also well-sized, featuring built-in storage and sharing a modern family bathroom. Stepping inside, we enter a bright, open-plan living and dining area. As we transition from the beautiful Mediterranean garden, you are immediately greeted by a bright, open, and incredibly inviting interior. Step into the spacious living room, featuring beautiful tiled floors that keep the space feeling cool and airy. This room is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring plush beige leather recliners and a matching sofa that practically invite you to sit back and unwind. Right ahead, we have a large flat-screen TV perfectly mounted above a stylish wooden media console. Now, let's take a look at this stunning, fully equipped modern kitchen. It's a beautiful blend of style and functionality, boasting sleek, dark cabinetry that offers plenty of storage space, premium stainless steel appliances, including a high-end refrigerator, oven, and integrated dishwasher, a seamless, easy-to-clean black ceramic stovetop. Finally, let's head up to the rooftop solarium. From up here, you get a great view of the surrounding residential area and a nice view of the sea. It's a fantastic, private spot for a secondary lounge setup. Located upstairs, this room features a single bed with star-pattern bedding, a dartboard on the wall, a world map, a small storage organizer, a high chair, and a football table. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think of this villa in the comments below. See you in the next video.